My name is Shok. Full name is Shokrullah. I go by Shok. I'm a PhD student at UC San Diego. And then this project I do study the seismic response of the stair system.
Great. And also put things together and take them apart and all the other things that grad students. This is why we want to talk to the grad students after the test is over, because you guys are the ones who do the actual hard work.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
You do the heavy lifting, you do all the data crunching, all the modeling.
Yes. Since construction foundation.
Wow. So you've been here for a few months.
Or almost 1 year. Like we started last year in May. So it's again May. So it's
wow.
1 year, one full year. Yeah.
So what have you learned over that year of construction?
I think as a student, it's the experience that I got during construction was very valuable because some of the stuff you don't learn it on the board at school. Yeah, we learned those sort of things. For example, one thing that really made me like it was a takeaway for me was the tolerance. Construction tolerance.
Construction tolerance is a little bit different than engineering tolerance.
Exactly. Yes. When we design, we don't think about that much about those things. But yeah, when we go to construction, we really see like how it's gonna create problem for us.
Yeah, and I mean, especially even just today, fixing things that have been shifted around since the warm up test yesterday, and even seeing how some of the construction methods have changed from one wall to another as you kind of have learned different ways of putting things together more efficiently as the construction continued.
Yes.
What are you hoping to see out of the following tests? So we've now finished the shiny media test, but now the real science starts. What are you hoping to see?
So yeah, I mean, like my contribution for this project was to work on this modeling and also analyzing and work with the design team of the stair systems.
Mm-hmm.
So what we do, my hope is like our systems shows like a resilient performance during like larger earthquakes. So far, we don't have any damage in the systems.
That is really impressive.
Yes, we don't have any. And previous earthquakes, I mean, recently we have an earthquake in Turkey.
Yeah.
Like also the Church earthquake in 2011. You see a lot of people could not escape the building just because a lot of the stair failed.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, damage. And my wish and my hope is like we will have a final like resilient stair system at least so that it will save the people's life, along with of course the structure system.
Sure. Yeah.
Yes. Along with the structure, I go the high performance structure system. Yeah, that's my hope.
Yeah, that's actually a really interesting point that I hadn't even thought of, and I've been following this project for years. Of like the most important thing, if this was an apartment building, thank you, U.S. Marine Corps. If this is an apartment building, you need to be able to get down from the 10th story during the shaking, or right before. You don't get that much warning for an earthquake, and it's very important to have this resilient stair system so that you can evacuate even if the structural system fails.
Yes.
So that's really important.
Yeah, this is important, and also like previously here at UC San Diego, we had another 7-story test of concrete building, and that one also we studied. It was not me, of course, it was another researcher. They studied the traditional type of stairs. This is a more resilient stair system than your system. But that was more like traditional types of stairs, and then like the flight detachment happened on a very low winch drift. So,
oh wow!
And there were smaller intensity of earthquakes. I mean, like the flight was completely detached, and people could not go to the building, and they repaired, and then like so imagine if that happens during an earthquake.
Yeah.
So people cannot escape.
Yeah.
So the first responder cannot go to the building to help the rest of people.
Yeah, it's going to be really amazing to see when this gets out into industry applications. We saw the contractors who are actually building this and saying how challenging in one sense it was, but how you can see in the future once the methods get more perfected or improved, just the modular construction of them is going to save so much time on installing stairs.
Yes.
And
systems are great because at the first they will reduce a lot of construction time, And also the construction problems, usually in
Yeah.
construction, we face a lot of issues and sometimes it doesn't match well and stuff. But if you have modular system, they're already fabricated in the company, so you just put it.
Right.
So that's,
Yeah, you're not having to, weld up a railing system
No,
or,
no.
do a whole lot of cutting and grinding on site. It's just plug and play, kind
Yep.
of. That's really been amazing to see.
Yeah, let's see. Like we're looking forward to bake shakes
Yeah,
in these following days.
excellent.